Hello, welcome. We are in the last session of this unit. You will be done with this unit this week. So great job. You guys have read four different short stories. And this week you'll get the chance to choose which short story out of the four that we have read you want to display your learning of. So we are in Unit 2, Session 5. Excuse me. We're going to go over to fall semester here, down to Unit 2, and down to Session 5, the human experience. So just a few things to unpack here. There is another community building discussion. That's an extra credit opportunity if you would like to take it. It's just a place to hang out and chat with others if you want. You don't have to, but I do give extra credit for it. Then we're going to be doing a lesson on actively learn. You need to make sure you watch the video in this page here. It will explain all of the directions for you, how to access the material, and then how to turn it in as well. So make sure you watch that video. And then we're going to be talking about theme this week. You need to make sure that you click on this page here, important directions for this session. You will choose one of the stories that we've read during this unit. You need to complete 2.5.2 and 2.5.3 using the story that you've chosen. So here's the links to the story. So make sure that it's one of these four stories here. And then we'll be discussing the theme. Obviously, not everyone's going to choose the same story, but you've all read all these stories, so you can respond to others in this discussion because you know the story. And then the final project right here. Here's our explanation right here. Basically, we're wanting to figure out how character response relates to the story's theme and what that means for human beings. So if you guys remember, theme is what we can learn from the story. It's the lesson, the moral. There's going to be 3 things that go along with it. Make sure you read through all of this and make sure you go over the expectations as well so that you know exactly what you're going to be graded on. Here it all is right here. It's worth 85 points. And it should be really fun. It's just kind of a sort of creative way to express your learning. You're going to turn it in here. One thing to note about this week is on Friday, October 23rd, I will not be available that day at all. I'm going to be traveling and it's going to take the entire day. So if you have any questions at all this week, you need to make sure that you get them to me before Friday. I just really don't even think I'll be responding to texts, obviously not emails, so or phone calls. So just make sure that you get to me before Friday. Great. Let me know if you have any questions before Friday. Have a great week.